Hello everyone. Today, we're delving into the world of a medication called Oseltamivir, commonly known by its brand name, Tamiflu. As with all our discussions, this is meant for educational purposes only. If you have health-related questions or concerns, always reach out to a medical professional. Description: Oseltamivir, often recognized by its brand name Tamiflu, is an oral medication that falls under the category of antiviral drugs. Its primary function is to treat and prevent influenza, commonly known as the flu. Initially approved by the FDA in 1999, Tamiflu is prescribed to reduce the severity and duration of flu symptoms in individuals who have already contracted the flu. It is also used as a preventive measure for those who have been in close contact with someone diagnosed with the flu to reduce the risk of infection. Oseltamivir works by inhibiting the activity of the influenza virus, specifically influenza A and B strains, by preventing the virus from spreading and replicating in the body. It can help alleviate symptoms like fever, cough, sore throat, runny or stuffy nose, body aches, headache, and fatigue associated with the flu. Tamiflu is often recommended for use within the first 48 hours of symptom onset to be most effective. Warnings: while Tamiflu is generally considered safe and effective, it's essential to be aware of certain precautions and contraindications. Oseltamivir should not be used as a substitute for the annual flu vaccine, and it does not protect against all types of flu viruses. It is specifically designed to target and treat influenza A and B. Before taking Tamiflu. Before starting Oseltamivir, there are some important considerations. Inform your healthcare provider if you are allergic to Oseltamivir or any other antiviral medications. If you have any underlying medical conditions or are currently taking other medications or supplements, be sure to discuss these with your doctor to prevent potential interactions. Tamiflu is considered safe for use during pregnancy and breastfeeding, but it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before taking it in these situations. Additionally, discuss its use with your healthcare provider if you have severe kidney disease. Side effects: like all medications, Tamiflu can have side effects, although they are generally mild and not experienced by everyone. Common side effects may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, headache, and dizziness. If you experience any severe or unusual side effects, it's important to contact your healthcare provider. Interactions: Oseltamivir may interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to inform your doctor about all medications, supplements, and herbal products you're currently taking to avoid any adverse interactions. Dosage: the correct dosage is essential for the effectiveness of Oseltamivir. Always follow your doctor's recommendations when taking Tamiflu. The typical dosage for treatment in adults and adolescents is 75 mg twice daily for 5 days. The recommended dosage for prevention in adults is 75 mg once daily for up to 10 days. For children, the dosage is based on their body weight, and your healthcare provider will prescribe the appropriate dose. It's crucial to complete the full course of treatment as prescribed, even if you start feeling better before the medication is finished. Avoid: while taking Oseltamivir, it's advisable to drink plenty of fluids to stay hydrated, especially if you experience vomiting or diarrhea. Be cautious when driving or operating heavy machinery if you experience dizziness as a side effect. As with many medications, it's recommended to avoid alcohol, as it can exacerbate certain side effects and may reduce the effectiveness of the medication. FAQ: many people wonder about the age restrictions for Tamiflu. It is approved for use in individuals as young as 2 weeks old, so it can be prescribed for children and infants who have contracted the flu. Always follow your healthcare provider's guidance regarding its use in pediatric patients. Closing: that concludes our overview of Oseltamivir, known by its brand name Tamiflu. Remember, this information is intended for educational purposes and should not replace professional medical advice. If you have any questions or concerns about this medication, always consult with a healthcare provider. Thank you for tuning in.